Poet, playwright, and autobiographer Maya Angelou's poem Caged Bird was published in her fourth volume of poetry entitled Shaker, Why Don't You Sing? According to critic Carol E. Neubauer, Shaker celebrates the ability to survive despite threatened freedom, lost love, and defeated dreams. She also noted that Caged Bird inevitably brings Angelou's audience full circle with her first autobiography, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, a coming-of-age story that captures the longing of lonely children, the brute insult of bigotry, and the wonder of words that can make the world right. In the poem Caged Bird, it is the act of singing that serves as the vehicle for liberation, gives a voice to the oppressed, and amplifies a message of hope. Caged Bird by Maya Angelou. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still. And his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the treed winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn-bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.